Fuzzy. Ooh, I'm gonna take some Earl Campbell's. Alright, something to drink. And alright, y'all, so it is 33 degrees. The winter storm has started. It actually started last night. My building has already closed for tomorrow. We're expecting sleet or snow tomorrow. Basically, we're expecting the roads to be frozen when we wake up. So, I'm not buying any more meat to put in the freezer. This is me going to the store because I decided at the last minute I wanted gumbo. And I ain't have chicken and sausage. So, here I am, grabbing me some chicken and sausage at the local store so I can make me some gumbo. Your girl is basically, yeah, all fluffied up, ready for the winter storm. All right, let me grab something to drink and then I'm gonna pick y'all back up. Find me some drink. When did these sodas get so high? I don't drink them no more. I'm more of a sparkling water girl, but when did sodas get this high? I don't need no soda no way. I just got me a little sun kiss, and I drink water the rest of the day like I'm supposed to be doing. Gotta undig this chin and this back. Somebody here. Oh. Somebody acting a fool in the store. I always gotta be one of them. Oh. So, Centerport not playing for this storm. The linemen had already started lining up in case the power lines start going down. I am so proud of them. Look, we're gonna make a quick trip by NRG to see how many other ones here. All right, I made it home safe and sound. As y'all saw, the linemen are already starting to line up. Y'all, please don't act a fool and throw stuff at them and threaten them with guns like y'all did the last time. Them people did not have to come back for us this time. And I would not have. It's so cold, my poor little lips is getting chapped. But yes, I'm so proud of the people that did show up for us. Centerpoint is reliant, whoever it is, they actually putting forth an effort just in case the lights go out. And big up to them. And y'all be nice and kind and respectful to the linemen. It's not their fault. They only can do what their orders tell them to, in case they're here just in case the lights go out. As y'all see, those were the only people there. I did pass by NRG. I did not see any additional vehicles here. And technically the actual winter storm doesn't come in tonight, so maybe more are coming. Of course, I'm not aware of. I'm just showing y'all what I saw when I was out grabbing a couple groceries before the actual storm hits, which is later on tonight. It is cold right now. Baby. But be kind. I done put the chicken in my apple cider vinegar. Remember, I washed my chicken 3 times in water. Then I soak it in ACV and water for 30 to 45 minutes. And because of my little weird food allergies, as some of y'all remember. And I'm gonna come back when it starts to boiling. See y'all in a minute. All right, I keep them simple. I put 8 cups of water, garlic, lots of onion, and 3 bay leaves for good luck, and seasoning. I put all my chicken in there, make its own little broth, let it cook in its own little broth. And I do the sausage last towards the end. This is gonna be a simple chicken and sausage today. We had chicken, sausage, and all kinds of seafood last time. We just gonna keep it simple this time. And I'm making brown rice today because, you know, I'm working on some things. So, of course, I'll come back when it's time to put in the roux. All right, there it is, bubbling and boiling. Got my roux, got my real onions, the Holy Trinity onions, bell peppers, celery, red bell peppers, and green, smoked paprika, some other seasoning I can't tell y'all, it's a family secret. I'm gonna let this boil for another 25 minutes. The onion powder and the garlic powder and the Tony seasoning, the original, is just to make the broth. Yes, I season again. The broth is really to get the chicken to basically, I basically, I keep boiling until the meat starts to fall off the bone, because I'm gonna boil some more after I put all my other seasoning in there to season up everything else that's already in there. So we're gonna let this sit for 25 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and wash and cook my rice. That's boring. I ain't gonna make y'all sit through that. And then I'm gonna show y'all my plate. All right, y'all, as I was cooking, I got this text message, so I immediately went into go mode. Yep, we woke up to snow this morning. And yes, I'm still in my house because it's cold. But I wanted to show y'all real quick. I did actually get my snow. So happy. So happy. Hee hee. Alright, I'm gonna go on the balcony. Oh, no, I don't hear you. It's snowing for real. And look, fresh snow in my boot print. Ho ho. All my boots do work. Oh, we got real snow. I don't even know if y'all can tell on here. What is you doing out? You don't know. Oh. It's really snowing. Oh. I'm loving this. There's my sidewalk. So, yeah, this is me having fun. Let's go in some untouched. This is more than 0.1 inches, but okay. Oh. So glad I keep my work boots in my car. Oh. Let it snow. Ooh, Oh, it's coming down, y'all. Woo, we getting hit. Best day ever. We got real snow. This moment will be televised. Oh, okay, the wind ain't helping. It feels like little pellets hitting my skin. All right, y'all, we coming from the mean streets of Houston. It's snowing. We predict it'll be snowing for the rest of the day, probably tomorrow. I found a pot of decent jacket to put on. I want to do snow angels, but it's still Houston and I ain't getting in this ground. There's no telling what's in here. So all y'all got out of me is feet angels. Feet angels. Yep. That's all you gonna get out of me is feet angels. Mini. I know I'm only a 7, so. Well, 6.5 actually, but we go out. It's snowing. It's snowing. I'm gonna attempt to make a snowball and hit this young lady over here to the side of me. Hopefully she'll retreat and not try to get me back. She ain't on camera. So when I run, y'all run with me, okay? Okay, because she might catch me. Alright. Oh, what beautiful weather we have. She run after me, I'm good. She ran the other way. Although that wasn't the best snowball, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Let's make a snowman. My snowman expert is refusing to come outside and help me. So it's the best I can do. It's gonna be a mini snowman. You know, I'm not gonna be sick. My hand's too cold. Yep, snow is not. My hand's too cold. I ain't about this life. Oh, I'm not about this life. But it's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Oh, Lord. It's really snowing, y'all. It's really snowing. That's about all I can take. Grateful for the snow. We got a snow day in Houston, a real snow day. I'm just amazed. Maybe I should take a trip to Colorado now. Alright, y'all, we coming from the mean streets of Houston. It's snowing. We predict it'll be snowing for the rest of the day, probably tomorrow. I found a pot of decent jacket to put on. I want to do snow angels, but it's still Houston and I ain't getting in this ground. There's no telling what's in here. So all y'all got out of me is feet angels. Feet angels. Yep. That's all you gonna get out of me is feet angels. Mini. I know I'm only a 7, so. But 6.5 actually, but we go out. It's snowing. It's snowing. I'm gonna attempt to make a snowball and hit this young lady over here to the side of me. Hopefully she'll retreat and not try to get me back. She ain't on camera. So when I run, y'all run with me, okay? Okay, because she might catch me. Alright. Oh, what beautiful weather we have. best snowball. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Let's make a snowman. My snowman expert is refusing to come outside and help me. So it's the best I can do. It's gonna be a mini snowman. You know, I'm not gonna be sick. My hand's too cold. Yep, no, it's not. My hand's too cold. I ain't about this life. Oh, I'm not about this life. But it's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Oh, Lord. It's really snowing, y'all. It's really snowing. That's about all I can take. Grateful for the snow. We got a snow day in Houston, a real snow day. I'm just amazed. Maybe I should take a trip to Colorado now. Y'all, we got a snowman. Pretty good, huh? I wish I could take credit for it, but I found the limbs. My hands couldn't take the cold. Look how cute. He waving at y'all all the way from Houston. Snowman. Yeah, it's starting to melt. Hello, self-care socialites. Yeah, we did a rebranding. I'm gonna have a conversation with y'all about that later. But today is Wednesday. Right now it's still 22 degrees and I literally can still see snow on the ground from my window. I put a little peephole in there for me. Hopefully nobody else noticed my peephole. But I have Haley, so anybody come anywhere near that window, she gonna go off like a light bulb. I did not realize how playing in the snow was so, first of all, it was fun. Very much fun. Second of all, it was a little bit of a workout. It was stuff y'all didn't see that I was doing. Had a blast. Got beat up by the snow. Yeah. Walking in snow. I was gonna say walking in snow was like walking in sand, but it's not, because at any given moment, if you do not have on the right shoes, you can slip and bust your ass. I didn't do that yesterday. Today, this stuff is looking a little slick. Yesterday it was powder. Today is looking very much icy. Icy that has joined together to become one. That's what it's looking like right now. We are expected to be above freezing around noon, which is when we're going to get our water back, supposedly. We have not had water since Monday, 6 o'clock. It was a precaution. They went ahead and turned the water off. It's an inconvenience, but we did the things we were supposed to do. Filled up all the tubs with water so we could flush the toilets. Buckets came in handy. Luckily we had already, was it last week we were expecting some bad weather? Well, we had already started stacking up on bottled water, so that wasn't a problem. And we got lights. Y'all, that is the most important thing. To be able to be warm and comfortable. So what, we gotta take a whole bath. I get water, put it on the stove, warm it up, put it in the sink to wash the dishes, put some more hot water on the other side while that one cool down, to rinse the dishes. Dishes are done. They are very well sterilized as well. Because that water was hot. I had to let it cool down. But yeah, we're making it work. Cook with bottled water anyway, so it wasn't that big of a deal. It's not a big change. I had did some meal prep with my meatloaf and cauliflower rice. Anyway, plenty canned goods. We had plenty of canned goods. I didn't overbuy meat because I was afraid of what might happen. The lights go off. But this go round, it's so freaking cold. The meat would have kept. Just saying, it would have kept. We could have put it in a cooler and stuck it in the snow. Might have did that. Yeah, we came to that. But yeah, luckily, thank God, the lights are still on. What else? Other than that, it's been smooth sailing. My office is actually, we were off Monday from Martin Luther King Day. Tuesday we closed. Today we closed because like I said, the snow turning into ice now. Because once it starts, the temperature's supposed to get up to 46 today. And then we'll be above freezing tomorrow, which is like 32. I think it's gonna be like 32 to 50, something like that, for Thursday. But I think we're gonna be going back to work tomorrow, which is fine. This was definitely quite a few days off. I have some work to do for LB Luck Self-Care, like for instance, put these on the website. I'm gonna go put my bonnets on the website. I have it in this color and in pink. I just haven't figured out how I want to display them. I'm thinking about just putting them on a mannequin head and taking some pictures. I've been looking into that. Doing research for business and stuff. The days off have been fruitful. I got a new book. These are my books for the first, I'm gonna say for the first quarter of the year, my quarter of the year. How to Keep House While Drowning, and I Will Teach You to Be Rich, the journal. So these are my, so this was recommended to me by another YouTuber. Like when you start getting brand deals and stuff, it's very easy to enjoy the money, and you shouldn't be doing that because you got to prepare for taxes and stuff. You do put, my rule of thumb is I take half, other half goes into savings because you don't know how your taxes are going to go for the year. They don't take out taxes when they give you a brand deal or your YouTube pay, none of that. You get a 1099, you're responsible for taxes.
be mindful of it. Just an FYI. If you want to do a YouTube channel, you do pay taxes. You're independent, baby. But I'm gonna wait a little while, let the temperature go up a little bit before I go outside. But I'm just to drink me protein shake, and then I'll have my meatloaf and cauliflower for lunch, and then I'm gonna fast for the rest of the day. And I signed up for the gym that I can't even go to right now because I can't get there. But we'll have a story about that later. But yeah, I'm gonna try that out. I just can't wait to show y'all. I think I'll probably do my tour of it Saturday. Cause yeah, this is just how it's going right now. But I'm gonna pick y'all back up after we go check out what the road situation. I am not getting in my car. I'm gonna walk down the street in my boots. So let me have my breakfast, straighten up a bit around here, prepare for the water to get back on because I have clothes to wash and stuff. And I'm gonna pick y'all up in a minute. So it's melting. Look, y'all can hear the droppings. The snow melting off of the ceiling. It was nice while it lasted. Aww.